What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today we have, come on if you can get in focus, boom, we have the PPG dog box for the B series all drive CRV trans, and we're gonna unbox it today. It's time to go fast. Like I was saying, we have our PPG dog box. We have both boxes. I put one on the floor so that way we can hit one at a time. I already got most of it cut open, so let me get this all opened up and then we can start to see unravel everything that's inside. Let me clean all this up as well. Me not trying to make a mess. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying not to make a mess. I know y'all like, hurry up and open it. Give me a minute. All right, so far the first thing I see in here, without even opening, this is like our cuff, 5th gear delete cuff. This doesn't come with the 5th gear PPG. Normally, since this is a 4th gear set, so it's 1 through 4 with the cuff. We'll get to how much this all costs after the video, or at the end of the video. So this right here looks like, to me, is this might be our counter shaft, I believe, or main shaft. This is our main shaft right here. I'm gonna open up all this. Give me a minute, I just want to take everything out of the box. This right here should be our counter shaft, since that one's the main shaft. This one's heavy. Jesus. I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. It's heavy. Oh my God. All right, what's this right here? They gave me a little thing to keep my drinks warm. Appreciate y'all, PPG, for that. I probably will be using that at the track. Because I know it's normally windy and cold. So this right here looks like it's our final drive for the straight cut final drive. And then that's pretty much it as far as everything in this box. Let's move on to the second one. All right, so we got a lot of goodies in here. So we have the Drag Cartel stickers. Definitely gonna throw one of those in my car. Big shout out to Jeremy for everything that you see here. He hooked me up with a lot of stuff he's from Drag Cartel. We have the Drag Cartel lanyard. It's pretty clean, as you can see. It's really nice. So let's throw that off to the side. Then they gave me a Drag Cartel license plate cover. True to the cartel. That's actually pretty nice. I like that one. I'll throw that to the side. Let's get to what everybody's been waiting for. Let's see if we can get these things out without making a mess. So right here, what it's looking like, it looks like we have our fork, our reinforced fork for 1st and 2nd gear. That's what that looks like so far. Let's go digging in here some more. This looks like the 2nd, the 3rd to 4th fork right here. Oh no, this might be the 1st and 2nd. We'll figure it out when we open them up. So let's see what else we got in here. See if we can feel around. Okay, so we got nothing over there. Nothing over there. Okay, we got something I don't know. We'll figure it out when we open it up. All right. In our first box, that seemed to be it. It seemed like that comes in here. So that means all the gears must be on the gear stacks themselves already. So right now we actually might not have to even put them together. We might just have to slap them in. So I'm gonna use this box to send out all our Liberty stuff. Use some of this package and pack all this stuff up and get it in here and send this out. So set this off to the side. Let's open up this stuff. Don't touch that tank. All right, so I got most of this stuff opened up already. We're gonna go through everything that comes in the PPG dog box, packaging, and I'll show you most of the stuff, the advantages of this stuff compared to the stock stuff, or whatever I can show you. So starting off, we're gonna start off with the forks. So this is the 3 to 4 slider fork. This right here is the stock CRV version, which as you can see, doesn't have reinforcements. Mine's on my stock CRV had reinforcements. If you watch some of my earlier videos, it had reinforcements due to Josh welding some on. This one right here has reinforcements, just overall built stronger and looks way better. I like the PPG ones way better. Let's look at the first and second version. As you can see, this is the PPG version and this is the stock CRV. If you're looking at it, it looks kind of bent. That's kind of what they do. They bend, that's why they reinforce them. This one's very reinforced and looks very good compared to this version of it. Just set those off to the side. Now let's move over to here. This is your main shaft. Oh, everything's sliding off. Everything, come on, slide on. All right, we'll fix that after. But this is your main shaft. If you can see, this is all straight cut gearing with the hub and slider. And this is your helical stock. If you can just look at those two side by side, you can see that this one's way stronger. It has the gears on it, this one doesn't, but just look right here, like look at the differences. The teeth are just way bigger, can take a lot more brute force compared to this bad boy. So this thing just looks amazing. Thank you, PPG, for that. All right, guys, so here we have our counter shaft, our PPG dog box straight cut counter shaft. It comes with the hub and slider and first, second, third, and fourth. As you can see, this is the helical stock CRV counter shaft. Just looking at it, you can just see this one's way beefier. They took time to perfect this thing, and this one right here is just not as strong. So this looks really good. Just wanted to show you guys. Let me give you a little spin so you can see everything on it. It's really heavy compared to like the normal CRV gear stack. This thing is way heavier, so it's telling me this thing could take a lot of brute force. All right, here next we have this will be our fifth gear delete cuff. So what this does is it deletes your fifth gear off your gear stacks, so that way you can run this to hold the gear stacks together, so that way they're not getting pulled apart and chipping the teeth of the dog box. So this thing is pretty good. I've never seen one built like this, where it comes with like this billet piece right here, and then they have like a little spacer that comes with it. It probably goes below here like that, or above. I will have to look into it, but that thing's pretty nice. And we have one more final little thing here. This is our final drive. It's a 4.214 final drive ratio, and it's straight cut, as you can see, to match our transfer case. Well, this actually doesn't go to transfer case. I take that back. It's straight cut, and it's a final drive to match the counter shaft. Counter shaft will turn this. We have a straight cut for the transfer case that's already on the LSD. This goes on the LSD next, but that's pretty much it, man. Almost forgot, but right here they also send you a reverse. Let's see if we can get this open. They also send you a reverse that's supposed to be stronger than your stock reverse for your CRV trans. I almost forgot to show you this. You actually really do need this. People think like they don't need this thing. You do need this. Almost forgot to show y'all this, but yeah, this is the CRV reverse for the PPG dog box. You do need this reverse. The stock one is a little sharper, as I know, around the edge, so it actually can bind up if you try to use your stock one, and this one's a lot stronger around the bottom, so you do need this bad boy. Plop that back in there. As y'all can see, the dog box was pretty legit, man. So I'm happy to have that. Like I said, we are waiting for the billet belt housing, the top with that top that goes to the CRV trans. So we're just waiting for that to come in the mail on Monday. That's in like 3 days from now. Once we get that, we'll start being able to jam pack everything inside and get the lucky penny back on the streets. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I catch you on that next one. Hey, tell a friend.